Hey, you guys, it's Miss Key, your favorite psychic life coach, back with another YouTube video. If you guys like this video, please make sure that y'all give it a thumbs up, smack the bell, subscribe, so y'all get notified when I post a video, and share this off into somebody else so they can get this knowledge, and let's just get into this video. So basically in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to transmute low vibrational energy into high vibrational energy and love. So if you have a challenging time transmuting or moving from a low vibrational space into a higher vibrational space, I'm really going to be talking about how to move from that energy into something that is more, into a higher realm. So love, peace, joy, happiness, contentment. So those are higher states of being. Those are in the 5D. Where you're living in the 3-dimensional realm, you more so experience things from a fight or flight standpoint. You're more so angry, resentful, restless, things like that. Those are low vibrational ways of living and states of being. If you would like to transmute negative low vibrational energy, what would you do? Oh my God, I'm seeing the fairies and stuff. They all around here. So, what would you do? I sometimes do yoga. I like to meditate every morning when I wake up. I consciously make the decision to want to raise my vibration. So it all starts from a conscious decision. So you have control over your own being. Once you take back your power and stand in your own energy and protect your energy and your auric field, you'll learn how to more so manipulate your own energy to raise its vibration. So with your chakras, if you are aligned and balanced, you can move your chakras in high vibrational space, basically. So if I'm more in tune with myself, I can easily tap into my chakra system. I can tap into any chakra point within my being to then activate it and move it to a higher vibrational space. So if you want to move towards love more, I would recommend, opening up your heart chakra more or elevating your heart chakra energy. So do more heart chakra work, hold more crystals, do things that are better for your spirit. Let go of low vibrational habits, because those things are what keep you in a state of being where you're more so not in an optimal way of living and being. If I'm smoking and drinking all the time, if I'm participating in habits that are not conducive to my health and my well-being of ascending, because when you start to ascend, you start to let those things go that are not keeping you in an optimal way of being or in a high vibrational state. I'm becoming attached and codependent to these low vibrational, these 3D things. Those are what is going to keep me in a 3D space. And like I said, 3D space is basically where those things reside, where it's resentment, anger, frustration, all of those things, because you're living in that realm of reality. If you want to live in a higher dimension, you have to consciously make the decision to move to a higher dimension. Now, certain things have a subconscious impression upon you, certain things that you react to. It's not about reacting, it's about responding. So to raise your vibration, you have to learn how to respond, and you have to learn how to take control back over your energy and protect yourself. So if you're protecting yourself and you are keeping yourself grounded, what you can do is you can have a base level for yourself to be at. So me is peace. More so, I'm always feeling the energy of peace because I'm grounded within that vibration. I'm maintaining that vibration. Whatever frequency you're on, you're vibrating at that vibratory energy. So if I'm constantly grounded within a certain energy, that's what I'm going to maintain. You know what I mean? If I'm grounded within resentment or anger and frustration all the time because I'm living in that dimension or that realm of reality, then that's what I will constantly go back to when I'm feeling some sort of way or when something happens where I'm reacting to it and I'm not responding accordingly. When I'm responding accordingly, I can act and move accordingly to how I'm feeling by being aware of it. I'm being conscious of how I'm feeling in this state of being. So I'm moving to a high vibrational state. If something is not elevating me so much, I won't react to it. I'll more so look at the situation like, what is it teaching me? How can I look at this from a state of love? Because everything is love. When you start to really vibrate at a higher frequency in a higher dimension, you notice how everything is love and it is connected. When you start to live consciously from love, you don't want to react so much. You want to more so respond to things and elevate yourself. I did this video because I feel like you guys probably need some assistance or some support on how to, raise your vibration. And I would say, first of all, it comes with acknowledging and being honest with yourself. You know what I mean? Once you start to see, okay, why am I reacting to this situation like this? Or once you start to, question yourself and not shame yourself, because don't shame yourself for feeling a way. If you feel some type of way, then that's how you feel. You got to be with your feelings. You got to be with whatever. But it's always about moving from that space and moving to a higher realm of reality. So if you decide to move to a higher realm of reality, you won't allow these 3D things to take control over you, because the three-dimensional realm is an illusion. You are a spiritual being in a human experience. And once you recognize that, then that's where you take your power back and you grow even more powerful within your being and within your spirit. I would just do things that bring me joy and happiness. If you want to raise your vibration, do things that bring you joy and happiness. And honestly, I don't give a fuck if it sounds cliche, but that's just what it is. You know what I mean? If you want to raise your vibration, do things that raise your vibration. If you're doing things that lower your vibration, that's what you're going to be living in. So how to vibrate more into love? Be love. Express love. Be love around you. And things will not affect you as much. But you guys, if you like this video, please make sure that you like it, subscribe, share. If you'd like to buy any crystal jewelry from my shop, make sure that you check the description box below for all that information. And also, if you'd like to book a session with me, coaching session, or a tarot session, you can do that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.